Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here. Today I'm going to talk about Wolf wall ovens, kind of go over the fit and finish of them. They're all behind me just to give you some options on which ones are best for you. First, foremost, we look at this and you see this is more their contemporary with their tubular handle, and this is very nice, and this is like a common stack you would see. This is going to be like, your steam oven right here, so look at the great size and capacity in that, and this is our steam oven look in that contemporary. Here is the push to open the hydraulic door wall oven like that, so that's nice and easy, very sleek and smooth. We roll over to the more traditional side. We have their red knobs. You're looking at the bulkier pro handle, but still your great interior, your cobalt blue, your arched racks. This is very nice, very traditional. You look at this side here, we still a little bit with the traditional, the pro handle, but the push button on the top right here. This is your microwave, your convected micro with all your options. And now you see how that matches in suite with your wall oven and your warming drawer. So now all the handles look alike. We go over back to the contemporary side here with the tubular handle. This is our convection micro again. Look at that, just a little different look. And then here's that wall oven to match it out. You know what I mean? This with the option of that baked stone. So just a lot of great looks, a lot of great fit and finish from Wolf to kind of help you guide, where you want to match your handles and how you want your kitchen wall oven to look.